Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Kindle Paperwhite beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing your Kindle Paperwhite. Remove the device from the packaging along with any included accessories. Locate the power button on the bottom edge of the device. Press and hold the power button for about 7 seconds. Wait for the Kindle to power on and display the welcome screen. Select your preferred language from the provided options. Connect your Kindle to a Wi-Fi network. Choose your network from the list and enter the password if required. Once connected, the device may update its software if necessary. After the update, follow the on-screen prompts to register your Kindle. Enter your Amazon account details to link your device. If you don't have an account, follow the instructions to create a new one. Once registered, you'll be introduced to the main interface of your Kindle. Familiarize yourself with the home screen, where you'll see your library. Access the settings by tapping the menu icon in the top right corner. Adjust your preferences, including font size and brightness. Explore the built-in features like the dictionary and bookmarking options. Visit the Kindle store to discover and purchase new books. Download your first book to get started enjoying your Kindle. Once downloaded, your book will appear in your library. Tap the book cover to begin reading. Customize your reading experience with options like night mode and text alignment. Enjoy your journey into reading with your new Kindle Paperwhite. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.